In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bridge from BSC to Solana. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible for you. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to portalbridge.com. This site will be our main tool for completing the bridge between BSC and Solana. Once there, you'll notice a user-friendly interface with several sections. But don't worry, it's quite straightforward to navigate through. You'll want to focus on the section near the top of the page. Here, you need to specify your source and destination blockchains. Start by clicking on the From section and select BSC, which stands for Binance Smart Chain. We are using BSC as the source where your assets are currently stored. Then, make your way to the To section and choose Solana. This selection indicates where you'd like your assets to be transferred to. The next critical step is to connect your source wallet. You'll find the option labeled Connect Source Wallet right there. Clicking on it reveals a variety of wallet choices that you can use for this process. For this demonstration, let's select Phantom, which is a widely used wallet for Solana due to its user-friendly features and compatibility. After selecting your wallet, a series of prompts will appear on your screen. These prompts guide you through connecting your wallet securely. It's very important to follow these instructions carefully to ensure a successful connection. Keep an eye on these prompts and take your time to read them. A smooth connection is crucial for the next steps. Once your wallet is connected, you'll reach a point where you can select an asset and enter the amount you wish to bridge. This part is essential because it determines how much and which of your assets will be transferred from BSC to Solana. When selecting your asset, be mindful of the balance in your wallet and choose an amount you're comfortable with transferring. And there you have it. By following these steps, you successfully set yourself up to bridge from BSC to Solana. Remember, while this process might seem a bit technical at first, it becomes easier with practice. Also, always double-check your selections and connections to avoid any mix-ups. Security is key, so ensure you're not rushing through the prompts and always verify the steps you're taking. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in guiding you through the bridging process. Stay tuned for more informative guides and happy bridging.